Guys, man, this Redmi 8 dual phone, and suppose if you open the camera of this phone, there you can see AI is written here, and if you want to turn on the AI camera, you can simply click here, and you can see that the AI camera is activated, and you can see a star button closer to this, and if an yellow color appear on this star, it means that different modes. That is, if you are in a vivid mode or any other modes, you can choose from here. Black and white or classic, you can choose from here. For example, I take this flower, and if I choose from normal to vivid or cold vibes, you can see that the color is changing here. Childhood, travel. So from here you can adjust, or even you can change it to black and white or classic. Black, guys. So you can take different modes from here. To that, make a click here. Hope this video is useful. For more videos, you can subscribe. Thank you.